You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this town in England and more confusing names of famous places too many people get wrong. This is said to be the most difficult name of English towns or cities, and one of the most mispronounced too. It looks like it should be said Frome, but no, it said Frome. Frome is how you pronounce that. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos where you're here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.